Milk 55 gram. Vegetable oil 55 gram. Add 4 egg yolks. Vanilla essence a half teaspoon. Pink food color 4 drops. Mix together until combined. Corn flour 10 gram. All-purpose flour 70 gram. Sift it well. Mix well until combined and set aside. Add 4 egg whites. Whisk until foamy with medium speed. Gradually add 70 gram sugar. Do not over-whisk the egg whites. Add a third egg white with the egg yolk mixture and mix to combine. Fold in rest of the egg whites. Fold gently until just combined. Pour batter evenly into the lined and greased pan. Preheat oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Once done, remove from oven and cool completely. Divide the baked cake into 4 equal pieces. Spread whipped cream on top. Strawberry chunks. Place the cake piece on top. Repeat with remaining whipped cream, strawberry chunks, and cake pieces. Pipe on small dollops of the whipped cream on top. Few fresh strawberries. Enjoy!